everybody's gonna jump off this battle rush. I'm not jumping on no. Booty, 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 booty. Okay, this isn't right. Why? Because everybody is supposed to battle. Get out of here, you white kid. You young about him. That seems like weird. Meanwhile, oh my god, yes I am the best character that anyone can get. No, I am. Don't know what you're talking about. I am the best character in the world. No, you are. I am. He's not. I'm only the best. I'm literally wearing Jordans. The body. I'm the last character. Shut up! I am the best. Floss, floss, floss. Didn't I win like Fortnite X? Ooh, I'm a Fortnite. Oh my god, why is there a dead Foxy? Somebody took hers. Oh, wow, he's still alive. Yeah, okay. 2 hours later. Oh, this. Why did I just get taken on Facebook? I don't know, it was a while ago, but why was I still on the ground? You've been on the ground, dude, for like 2 hours. Okay. Where is your girlfriend, girl lover? Or should I say girlfriend queen? You shoot. Look at the booty. Booty in the air. She just walked behind the bus. Did you not see her? No. Bah, I want some V-Bucks. Don't hit the bus so we probably get stuck in this island forever. Well, actually, come on, let's go to a different island. Why is there an injured head? My booty was stinking, so I died. Yeah. Okay, let's get in the bus. Why are you in here? I'm the driver. Get your little stank boy out of here. I'm a stank booty. Everyone's a stinker booty in Roblox. I mean, Fortnite, because they don't wash the butt like in Roblox. But you can wash your butt. You can wash your butt. Did you know that? You can wash your butt. Definitely can wash it. Hey, why are you in there? I got bombed. I got bombed for saying booty words. I think you're gonna get bombed again. I'm the best character. Nobody can stop me from saying that because I am. If there was a god Fortnite player, I could ask him, was I the greatest character? And he would have said yes. Shake it like a booty. What was that noise? Shake it like a booty.